In this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to start a brand new YouTube channel and start making money today. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to identify your niche. And hands down, these are the best niches that you can tap into to get started on YouTube. And if you're looking to make money from day one, then I would recommend the make money niche and also the health niche. These are two incredible niches that you can start with right now to start making money from day one. Here are some additional high-paying CPM niches that you want to tap into. And if you're looking for some incredible sub-niches, these are the highest-paying CPM niches that you want to tap into. Now, the next step is to plan your content. And you want to come up with about 20 to 30 video ideas to get started. So what you want to do, you want to head over to YouTube and start searching for popular videos within your niche. Then you want to sort by the most popular and look for the videos with over 100,000 views within the last 6 months. And these are some amazing video ideas that you can start with from content creators within your niche that you can make them better, that will boost and drive your channel. Now, once you find these videos, you want to go ahead and take those keywords, put them into vidIQ, and see the quality of these keywords. Then if you find that these keywords are really good, then you want to come up with video ideas around these keywords. And here you see that this is a great way how to get started and come up with 10 to 15 video ideas to get started on your brand new channel. Now, step 3 is to create your YouTube channel. Now, you can easily create a Gmail account, then head over to youtube.com and sign in, and then you can create a YouTube channel. Now, once you create a YouTube channel, you can name it whatever you want. Just think about it carefully. If you want to make this brandable by your name, you can just write your name as a YouTube channel, or if you want to come up with a nice and unique name for your channel. Now, as it relates to your channel art, you can get YouTube banners from Canva, and you can also come up with your YouTube icon by utilizing Canva as well. Just head over to Canva and simply type YouTube, and you'll find a ton of different content that you can create for your YouTube channels. And to optimize your YouTube channel is very easy. You want to make sure that you do your verification. You want to come up with a really nice description for your channel. And you also want to come up with related keywords for your specific niche on your YouTube channel. And step 4 is about generating your content. Now, if you're planning on creating the videos yourself and you're looking for a free option to get stock content, then I would recommend Pexels. Right, so you want to head over to Pexels and you can find a bunch of different images and videos that you can use. And if you can find a couple dollars per month, you can head over to Storyblocks and you can get a monthly subscription where you can get high quality content with a lot more variations that will take your video to a whole new level. Now, as it relates to video editing software, here are a bunch of free and paid tools that you can utilize. Personally, I'm using CapCut for a free option, and also I'm using v.io and InVideo AI. But this is just a sample of some of the many tools that you can utilize. Feel free to check them out. Also explore other tools that you can utilize so that you can make your videos the way you want them. And for thumbnails, as I said before, you can use Canva to get a ton of different content for your YouTube channel. So you can easily make thumbnails for your videos there. Just simply head over to canva.com, search for thumbnails, and you can find a lot of different templates that you can use to start making some amazing thumbnails today. And if you have a couple dollars on your hands per month as well, you can get the Canva Pro and use it without any limits. And on top of that, you can get Canva Pro for free for 1 month so that you can start making some real amazing content for your channel. And if you desire to use Canva Pro, you can also utilize Canva videos and images as well to create your videos. Because with Canva, you can also create videos as well. So you can check this out. You can play around with whichever platform you so desire and start making really good content. Now, if you don't have the luxury of time on your hand and you have a bit of cash, then you can head over to Upwork or Fiverr and find freelancers to do the work for you. I'm talking you can find freelancers to create a script for you, make the video for you, and also create the thumbnail. And you can even find freelancers who will manage your channel for you and even optimize your videos. So I'm talking if you have no time on your hand, you can find freelancers to do every single task under the sun on Fiverr or Upwork. So you want to check this out as well if you have some cash in your pocket to start utilizing this method. Now, so how do we make money from day one? Remember, as I said, choosing a niche is key. So once you get your niche right, then you want to pair your channel with a valuable and high payout commission product. And I'm talking about digital product here. So you can head over to ClickBank or Digistore24 and find some really good products that you can promote. All you have to do is find a product that's related in your niche, that is of value, so that you can start promoting this product from day one on your videos. So once you head over to, for example, ClickBank, you can simply go to the category of your niche, find some really good products, and then you want to grab that affiliate link and you want to start promoting this within the video description. And if you want to take your promotion to a whole new level, you can find content for the product you're trying to promote. I'm talking videos and images. And you can recreate a nice promotional video that you can embed within your video so that your viewers can see the product that you're offering. Because guys, while majority of people will read your description and also read your comments, not everyone is going to go there and read your description. They will just simply watch the video and move on to the next. So creating a really short promotional video within your main video is a great way how to promote your affiliate products. And step 5, as I said, upload your videos, optimize your titles, description and thumbnails. And also you want to use relevant tags so that people can find your videos once you publish them. And you want to do about 3 videos per week. And if you have a lot more time on your hands, then you can make videos daily. Remember guys, this is a long-term game, and patience and consistency is key for you to see any form of success on YouTube. And finally, step 6 is to optimize based on your analytics. So what you want to do guys, in order to increase your retention rate on your videos, you want to simply head over to your videos and you want to look for those peaks and drop-offs. So for the drop-offs, you want to cut them out entirely, and for the peaks, you want to include more of these in your future videos to come. These are indicators of what is working and what is not working. And by taking note of this, you can increase your retention rates in your future videos and on your overall channel. Now, here are some bonus tips to succeed on YouTube as you get started. Number 1, you want to give value. Value. You want to give value to your audience. Remember, YouTube is another form of search engine, and people are coming there to either solve some kind of problems or learn how to do something. So you want to provide value always to your audience or your potential audience. And this will help you to grow and also to build a community where your audience will trust you. And once you have people trust you and you're providing value to them, it will make it easier for you to sell any kind of product or service to people. So the key here is to provide value always, and this is very important. Now the next tip is to choose an affiliate product of value. You don't want to choose a high-ticket affiliate program that will provide no value for someone. You want to provide value because the more value this product will provide or help someone in whichever aspect of your life, as long as it's related in your niche, then you will most likely make sales. And this is very important for you to focus on in order to make money from day one. And the next tip I want to say to you guys is always keep a realistic expectations. Remember, this is a long-term game, and consistency and dedication with the will to improve is the only way you'll succeed on YouTube. You will not just get up and make $1 million overnight or a couple $1,000s in your first day without trial and error. Now I'm sure that you've seen a lot of channels out there that blow up from day one. And this is what you see, that how this channel blew up from day one, but you've tried it and it doesn't work for you. These people have experience, and you need to develop a wider awareness so that you know that they also have had their trial and error for many years, that they have used those best practices to implement, which allows them to either make a channel or a video that will blow up in no time. And on top of that, you have to also think that many of these people have a separate channel with a wider audience that they can easily recommend new channels, new products to their audience. And this would easily help them to blow up a second or a third channel very fast. So you need to keep this in mind. And the final tip that I want to give to you within this video, guys, is to always keep an eye on your competitors. Keep an eye on other content creators within your niche to see what kind of videos they're making and the trends that are going on within your niche. And you want to jump on these trends or simple what is working and start making videos like that. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to come up with an amazing idea. You simply want to use what's working. So it's just like baking a cake. You have the recipe. If you follow the recipe, you will make the cake. If you try to change it or create something brand new, you are going into the unknown and you don't know if it will work or not. But if you follow the strategy or follow the model that is working, then with consistency and patience, you will succeed. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value here within this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Real Money Wisdom. I'm Andrew, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one.